So, hello. It's chrono time. Gamit natin yung ating AAP01 DMR setup. We're using 0.43 gram BBs, Infinity Custom. So, habol natin ngayon consistency. Okay? Shot number 1. 437, 3.8 joules. 442, 3.9 joules. 441, 3.8 joules. 444, 3.9 joules. Ang shots pa tayo? 4, mga 10. 442, 443, 438, last 3 shots. 438 pa rin. 431, 430. So that's 10 shots. Tingnan natin yung review. Shot memo. Mapansin niyo. For me this is very good. Consistent. 437, 442, 441, 444, 442, 43, 38, 38. Tapos nag-drop ng 31, 30. Samahan pa natin isa. For tingnan natin ko ilan. 429, yan na po, babaan na siya. So, yun lang. Itong ating AAP01 DMR. Okay, thanks.